Hello and welcome to County Magazine. I'm your host, Melissa Liebart. With increased awareness and concern of coordinating efforts in emergency planning, a new public safety complex in Fairfax has brought multiple agencies and functions together under one roof.
More than 300 people attended a ribbon-cutting ceremony to open the McConnell Public Safety and Transportation Operations Center, also known as the McConnell MPSTOC. The West Ox Complex is a unique partnership among Fairfax County, the Commonwealth of Virginia, and the Metropolitan Area Transit Authority, bringing multiple agencies and functions together under one roof. Earlier this year, the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors voted unanimously to name the facility the McConnell Public Safety and Transportation Operations Center in honor of former Springfield District Supervisor Elaine McConnell.
Elaine McConnell was a motivating force in the Board of Supervisors in planning, financing, and constructing this world-class facility. And she stayed on it. She wanted us to get this done on time, on budget, and while she was still on the board. We did 2 of those 3. For the past quarter century, Elaine represented the residents of Springfield and with a steely determination to do what was right for those she affectionately referred to as her people. And let me just say, as a colleague of Elaine's for 13 years, she also epitomized what was best in public service. I never saw Elaine do the cheap thing. I saw her always reach out across party lines to work with her colleagues for the betterment of the people we serve. And she set the standard. She set the model for all of us to emulate. I just want to say, as a colleague and as a friend, thank you, Elaine McConnell.
You know, we forget very quickly what's happened in this country. Just a few years back, we were attacked viciously by a terrorist group. And it could happen again, and no matter what they say, you and I know we're in a target area. We can't let that happen again without being prepared, and I worried the whole time in office that we would be prepared as much as possible and as much as we as public officials could arrange. This is one of the biggest steps, I think, toward that preparation. This will be here for our people in the event that we have another problem, and we hope and pray that it will never be used for that reason. But if it is, I thank all of you who were so gracious and so helpful to me. And I thank you so much for the honor of having my name on it, because it meant a lot to me and to all of us, and I thank you again.
The mission of the 114,000 square foot facility is to enhance the effectiveness of public safety response, improve traffic congestion management, and better coordinate responses to and recovery from major emergencies. Construction on the complex began in 2003 after the approval of a bond referendum by voters in 2002. Total expenditure came to $131.5 million, $4 million under budget. Fairfax County and the Commonwealth shared in the cost of construction. Creative strategies were incorporated in the blueprint of the McConnell MPSTOC to improve performance of space with response to human factors, security of the facility, information technology, future expansion, and environmental sustainability.
The success factors that I can list about this project is obviously at the beginning is the vision and the support of the Board of Supervisors, and having the leadership and the management behind the project in order to make the effective decision making and a streamlined process, and accountability of all of us, as well as partnering between all people who've been involved in this project. It's been a teamwork between the contractors, consultants, the users, the Commonwealth, the county, and tremendous number of people have put in a lot of good work on this project.
Well, I think the most unique aspect is that we bring a number of different public safety partners who are both focused on public safety and transportation together in the same facility, and we've connected them in a way that doesn't normally happen. A part of success in any operation is the relationships that you build and maintain. And some of the relationships that will be built and will be able to be sustained as a result of being in this building, they may be informal, they may be formal relationships, but it's going to allow us and our partners, Virginia State Police and VDOT, to be that much more effective.
Agencies located in the McConnell MPSTOC include the Department of Public Safety Communications, which is the county's 911 call center, the Office of Emergency Management, home to the Watch Center equipped to receive and transmit Homeland Security and emergency information to state, regional, and federal partners, and staff from the Fire and Rescue and Police Department to assist with specific fire and police dispatching. Commonwealth agencies include the Virginia Department of Transportation's Northern Region Transportation Operations Center and Signal System, and the State Police Communications Center, which receives and dispatches all Pound 77 roadside assistance calls for the Northern Virginia region. Adjacent to the McConnell MPSTOC is the Police Department's Forensics Lab, which includes a crime scene section, electronic surveillance, Novaris, the Northern Virginia Regional Identification System, and a future DNA lab.
Agencies will be relocating to the McConnell MPSTOC over the next several months, with full occupancy slated for mid-2009.